Akeria hedi ya kurugurio kwa mubango ucio runyanjara-ini rwa nyamu rwa Oljabeta, murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Posta Kagwe araugire iratathi riu ria stamp riri koragwo na mbica cia munyi iyo yetagwo Sudan na ciana ciayo iria ihetwo maritwa na Jin na Fatu.
In our small way, we would like to tell the world through this stamp that is every human being's responsibility to conserve what God has given us.
Munene wake gavana wa Laikipia Nderitu Muriithi nioreti anyiti itemi othe ruhonge-ini rwa kurora nyamu cia githaka manyitanire na thirikari yake niguo kwambika mitaratara miega ya guthemana na ngucanio cia andu na nyamu cia githaka kaunti-ini iyo.
It's not just about keeping wildlife away from humans, it's about how people of Laikipia and Kenyans in general how they benefit from conservation.
Ndumiriri-ini ya Minister wa Ugendi Najib Balala iria irathomirwo ni Patrick Omondi uria niwe munene wa uthuthuria ministry-ini ya Ugendi. Balala ni aratugiririe itua ria gwikira mbica cia munyi maratathi-ini ma stamp, akiuga itua riu ni riguteithia hanene hari kunina ugwimi wa nyamu cia githaka.
It calls for a penalty of a life sentence if you poach or trade in elephant or rhino trophies.
Mwaka muthiru ruhonge rwa KWS na kambuni ya Kenya Posta ni manyitanire kuruguria maratathi ma stamps maria mari na mbica cia njogu, mbogo, muruthi, ngari na munyi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ijitagwo Kimani wa Githĩnji.